for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, heated front seats, fog lights, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist. Come take a test drive today.